Hello friends, today we will talk about top 5 B550 motherboards under 15,000 rupees, 15 to 16,000 rupees. As we know, B450 motherboards are currently out of stock and overpriced. So B550 motherboards are good options and value for money. Before getting into the video, let me tell you that B550 motherboards are only supported to Ryzen 3000 and upcoming CPUs and APUs, as it doesn't support below Ryzen 3000 CPUs and APUs. So let's check out top 5 B550 motherboards under 15 to 16,000 rupees. In number 5th, we have B550M Aorus Pro from Gigabyte. It's a decent feature pack motherboard. Let's check out. You can see this is a micro ATX motherboard. 4 SATA ports are provided. This is a metallic heatsink along with pre-installed IO shield. This is all plastic, but the heatsinks are metallic. You can see 2 PCIe 16 slot and 2 M.2 slots are given. One of them is Gen 4. ARGB headers are also provided. There is also fan headers. You can connect your cabinet fans here. Let's check out more. As you can see, this is a 10+3 digital VRM. In every B550 motherboard, BIOS flash button is there. In this budget, Gigabyte is also providing USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C. Good quality audio are also given. 1200 audio codec is a good audio, decent audio with audio noise guard. I will highlight you only main features. For full specification, you can check out official websites. As I have told you, these are ARGB headers. This is a good motherboard. This motherboard comes under 10,000 to 11,000 Indian rupees. You can purchase them online. It's available online now. I will provide the links in the description of this video. With this motherboard, 6 temperature sensors are also provided to sense the temperatures of this motherboard, and Thunderbolt header is also given there. In this budget, a lot of features are provided. This is a decent motherboard. You can go for it under 11,000. You can just download RGB Fusion software and sync your RGB components. As you can see, various light effects are given. Lot of RGB headers are also provided. So let's move on to our number 4th motherboard. On number 4th, we have B550M Pro VDH55 from MSI. This is a pretty good motherboard, solid build quality, heatsinks are good. If you are familiar with B450 Tomahawk Max, it has same thermal and VRM performance as B450 Tomahawk Max. Pretty good thermals, BIOS flash button, Intel's rebuilt Wi-Fi. MSI's dedicated audio processor is inbuilt in this motherboard. Audio boost, MSI's audio boost is also there. This is a decent motherboard with a solid build quality. As you can see, HDMI 3.2 ports, display port, VGA port is also there, BIOS flash button. There is no USB Type-C in this motherboard, but USB Type-C is given in front. If your cabinet supports USB Type-C, then you can connect. It supports Mystic Light Sync. You can sync your RGB components with Mystic Light, as it has one Gen 4 M.2 slot and Gen 4 PCIe 16 slot, but you can use only one graphic card with this motherboard because it has only one PCIe 16 slot. If you can spend 13 to 14,000, you can purchase this as it has inbuilt Wi-Fi. If you want to spend some more, let's check out our number 3 motherboard. This will also from MSI. On number 3, we have B550M Aorus Elite from Gigabyte. If you have a budget under 15,000 rupees, you can go for this motherboard. Lot of features mentioned there. This motherboard has a quite good thermal and VRM performance. If you want to use Ryzen 3700X, 3900X, even 3950X, you can go with this motherboard. Let's check out, as it has 5+3 VRM faces. It is a micro ATX motherboard. BIOS flash button is provided within motherboard. It is not on the IO panel, so it feels inconvenience for most of the users. 4 SATA ports are also provided there. I don't like the way that they are provided. PS2 port is also provided. If you have keyboard or mouse with PS2 plugins, you can plug and use. 2 USB 2.2, DVI port, HDMI port, USB 3.2 ports, 2 PCIe 16 slots are provided and 2 M.2 slots are provided. One of them is Gen 4, but there are no thermal guard for M.2 slots. We can see that 5 temperature sensors are mentioned there and 3 fan headers are also mentioned there. It also supports fan stop according to your temperature sensors. At low temperatures, it automatically turn off your fans, and at high temperatures it automatically on your fans for heat dissipation. You can just download RGB Fusion 2.0 to sync your RGB components, as there are lot of light effects provided. This is a good budget motherboard under 15,000 rupees. If you want to spend some more, 500 rupees to 600 rupees, definitely go for our number second motherboard. Number second is my favorite motherboard, so check out number second motherboard. On number 2 we have B550A Pro from MSI under 15,000. The price changes 15,000 to 15,500 to 16,000. If you got this motherboard at 15,000 rupees, this would be pretty good deal for you, because under 15,000 this one is my favorite motherboard. As you can see, these chunky heat sinks, these multi-layer heat sinks are very good and decent heat sinks. For heat dissipation, this would be a lot better than other heat sinks. This is a full ATX motherboard. There are 2 PCI 16 slots. One is Gen 4 and one is Gen 3. One Gen 4 M.2 slot and one Gen 3 M.2 slot. 6 SATA ports are given. Let's move on to connectivity ports. As it has BIOS flashback button, PS2 plugin is also available and USB plugins are available. HDMI DisplayPort, Type-C ports are also provided. That's a good feature. Let's check out. This motherboard has a very good thermal performance. You can easily use Ryzen 3900X and 3950X, and if you want to overclock, you can also overclock them with this motherboard. Under 15,000 rupees, this one is my favorite motherboard, B550A Pro from MSI, because this motherboard offers a decent VRM and a decent heat sinks. Mystic Light sync is also supported. You can sync your RGB components. 10+2+1 VRM faces are used with phase doublers used in most of the motherboards. But VRM performance and thermal performance does not depend on VRM phase counts. It also depends on the build quality of the motherboard and heat sinks provided with it. So don't go with the phase counts of any motherboard. It is now available online in most of the websites. Links are in description. If you want to purchase directly, you can purchase. Links are provided there. This one is my favorite, B550 motherboard under 15,000 rupees. I don't recommend to spend more on B550 motherboards. Don't go over 16 to 17,000, because 16 to 17,000 for B550 motherboards is fine, but over that it's a lot of motherboards available. You can go for X570 motherboards. Those motherboards are also very good in terms of VRM, thermal and feature packed motherboards. But if you are building budget build, then I would recommend don't expend more money on motherboard. You can expend more on GPU or CPU for more CUDA cores or cores. threads that will give you more performance. So let's check out our number one motherboard. Our number one B550 motherboard is B550 Aorus Pro from Gigabyte. Currently this is the best budget B550 motherboards available right now. And guys, under 16,000 rupees, this is one of my favorite. But under 15,000 rupees, MSI B550A Pro is my favorite one, as it offers a lot features mentioned there. But I will tell you why go with this motherboard under 16,000 rupees. So let's explore best features of this motherboard. It features 12 plus 2 digital VRM with premium build quality. 6 layer PCBs are used along with 2 copper PCBs. It also supports fan stops and 7 internal temperature sensors along with 2 external temperature sensors are included for accurately monitoring temperatures. 6 SATA ports are given, and I like the way that they are provided at 90-degree angle. Along with Thunderbolt header is given there, ARGB headers. They are providing premium audio. ALC 1220 is a good audio codec, and ALC 1220 audio codec is used most of the premium motherboards, but at this budget this is a quite good audio that they are providing. And I like pin array heatsinks design of this motherboard with thermal pad. Let's move on to connectivity ports, as it offers a lot of USB ports, one HDMI port, BIOS flash button, 2.5G LAN, and Type C is also given there. It offers 3 PCIe 16 slots, one of them is Gen 4, and 2 M.2 slots with thermal guards. Let's check out more features. This motherboard is also capable of 5400 MHz of RAM. You can just download RGB Fusion 2.2 software and sync your RGB components easily with these beautiful light effects to beautify your PC build. Friends, if you are building a budget build, I will not recommend you to go beyond that budget for B550 motherboards. But if you can spend some more money, I would recommend to go with B550 Tomahawk. That's from MSI. And don't spend much on motherboards. You can save some money and spend more on GPU and CPU for more performance. If you have any question or suggestion related to this video, comment down in the comment box. I will definitely answer you. Thank you. Please subscribe to this channel and press bell icon for more videos.